Criminology word of the day, prejudice. So the word prejudice ay maririnig natin sa halos lahat ng subjects natin sa criminology. So here's the meaning of the word prejudice. So the word prejudice is a noun which means an irrational attitude of hostility directed against an individual, a group, a race, or their supposed characteristics. It is an adverse opinion or leaning formed without just grounds or before sufficient knowledge. Kaya nga, 'di ba, yung na prefix dito sa prejudice means before, bago. Meron ka ng opinion without just grounds or before sufficient knowledge. May opinion ka na bago ka pa magkaroon ng sapat na kaalaman tungkol dun sa isang bagay kung saan meron kang prejudice. A preconceived judgment or opinion. Ayun na nga, bago pa ang lahat ng impormasyon makarating sa iyo, meron ka ng judgment. Nahusgahan mo na yung bagay na yon or yung tao na yon. Kahit pa wala ka pang sapat na ebidensya. An instance of such opinion or judgment. And then second, injury or damage resulting from some judgment or action of another in disregard of one's rights. So ayun na nga, ang ibig sabihin ng pre is before. Then yung Judice part, root word niya is judge. Kaya sa pinakamadaling sabi, meron ka ng judgment sa isang bagay o sa isang tao bago ka pa makakuha ng sapat na ebidensya para suportahan kung ano man yung nasa isip mo, yung judgment mo na yon. So that's the meaning of the word prejudice. Stay tuned for more criminology vocabulary. Bye!